Good morning, children. Welcome back, 5th standard in maths class. As already I have given the solutions and explanation of question number 14. I talked about the sums up to question number 8. Okay, and 9 to 13 question were left to discuss. I asked you, I will discuss later on after question number 14. So let's start with question number 9. Answer the following questions from the shapes given in the graph paper. Okay, now each square having 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Here it is given. Now children, you have to see the shapes. Okay, you have to see the shapes. Here A shape is drawn. You may see, okay, at page number 21 the shape A, shape B is here, shape C and shape D, and on the next page you will see here shape E and shape F drawn. Okay, here E and this one is F. Now I am going to read questions. Which shape has biggest area and how much, children? Obviously, by looking or giving a glance to the shapes, you can find out F shape having, okay, biggest area. Area means the number of squares occupied by any figure, that is called, okay, and area, how you will count by the graph paper? By counting these number 1 2 3. First we have to count full squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Now children, you have seen I have taken half of also. Wherever the half will be given, here also. Okay, so this one 56. Now half and half. 56 we have counted, 50. I hope I counted 56. Once again I am going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 30 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 40 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 50 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 60. Here I have taken where half squares are given, because here 2 halves is equal to 1. Okay, 2 half is equal to 1. Here you can reduce 50. Okay, understood. And here which squares left? 2 half, so you have to count 2 halves is equal to square 1. Here 2, you can reduce 1 square. Okay, so here half, and you may take this one half, one more. Okay, then here this one half and this one. Now total how many squares are there? 63. Because see, why 63? Here I have taken 2, this one half, this one half, so you will reduce 1. Okay, understood what I am telling you? Otherwise you can take this as a 1, and here this one as a 1 1, this one 1, like this. And here which squares we left? These two you can take as a 1. I am drawing here. And less than half you can neglect these squares. Okay, because here I have taken 1, but here half part. Okay, here I have taken complete. This one I have neglected. Okay, and same way this one half and this one half. So you can take this one and this one as a 1. Understood? So how many complete are there? You may count. You will, and how many half of this one? 1, 2, 3 and this 4. Okay, and here it was 59. 59 plus 4, what it will become? 63. So which one, what will be your answer? Because I told you, you have to count. Okay, half, half, 2 halves is equal to 1. So our first question, which shape has the biggest area? Answer will be F shape. And what is the area? 63 square centimeter, because 1 square is of 1 centimeter. Which shape has smallest area? Okay, understood? From the figure drawn over there, you can judge which shape has the smallest area. This one. I think you can judge this one. D. Okay, this one having smallest area. Count. First I am going to count only complete one, children. Okay, complete. Which complete? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this one also you can take because this was more and this was less. 13, 14 you can take, and this and small part this, if you will count, then it will become almost, otherwise you can combine this and this will become 15. So what is area of this? 15 square centimeter. I hope you understood. Okay, so you will write here which shape has the smallest area. Shape D has the smallest area, and how much? 15 square centimeter. This is the way you can find out area of any figure. This one you can do. What is the difference between the area of C and E shape? You have to find out the area of C and E and then subtract. You will get the answer. दोनों के शेप का एरिया निकालो और उसे माइनस कर दो. Same way this one and that one. What is the difference between the biggest area and the smallest? जो सबसे बड़ा था F. Okay, और जो सबसे छोटा था this one. So what is biggest area? 63 and smallest 63 minus 15. What will you get? 48. 48 square centimeter. So this will be. So all remaining parts of this question you can do yourself. I taught you how to do. Same way, children, now we are going to start discussion of question number 10. Complete the following shapes to get the given area. Okay, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी एरिया दिया है. एक स्क्वायर का अगेन 1 सेंटीमीटर है. एक स्क्वायर का एरिया 1 इंटू 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, इस तरह से कंप्लीट करना है कि आपके जो ये बॉक्सेस हैं वो 8 कवर हो जाए. दैट मीन्स द एरिया विल बिकम 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. ओके, अब यहाँ पर देखते हैं कितने पूरे हो रहे हैं. 1 and 2. ठीक है, if you will count these 2 then it will become 3. इनको करोगे तो कितने हो जाएंगे? 4. हाफ हाफ 4. तो यहाँ तक की शेप में 4 हुए. दैट मीन्स वी वांट 4 मोर. तो ये आप ऐसे उठाएंगे, यहाँ से ड्रॉ करेंगे और ये तो ये हो जाएगा. देखो आप काउंट करो. 1 2 3 4 5 6, this one 7 and this one half of 8. Understood? Half of. So you have to complete yourself this shape. One more I am doing for you. अब आपको 5 square centimeter cover करना है. ठीक है, ये half half तो हुआ 1. This one only 1. और ऐसी shape draw करने हैं कि आपको 5 मिल जाए. Let us start. देखते हैं कि कैसे होता है. ठीक है, I am also doing along with you. तुम भी करो. ओके, वी विल टेक दीज. तो यहाँ पे तो कम बनेंगे. इफ आई विल टेक वन मोर. अब देखते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे रफली काउंट करो. पहले 1 2. ठीक है, दिस वन 3. अगर मैं ऐसे करूं कितना मिल रहा है देखो. 1 2 3, this one 4, and this remaining part, this will be 5. I hope this one you understood how to complete the shapes in question number 10th, and now we are going to start question number 11th here. Okay, question number 11th here it is. Now you see this is 12th question, and just above that there is question number 11th. Arrange the different shapes having 6 squares in the grid, okay, and find their perimeter and area also. Children, कितने squares arrange करने हैं आपको? 6 करने हैं, 6 squares use करने हैं, 5 different shapes बनानी है. One they have drawn for you. Here you can draw another 6. यहाँ पर देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6. So very simple shape, this one you can use. Understood this what I am telling you? By using scale you have to do. Here on screen I can't use, okay, so you have to use scale, draw proper line. Now same way another shape also you can draw like that. यहाँ पर देखो ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, 1 2 3 4 5 and this one 6. Okay, so any shape you can draw where the 6 squares you have to use. Another 3 here drawn and 3 more you have to draw. And now next one, arrange 6 different shapes having 5 squares. जैसे उन्होंने पहले में 6 पूछा था, अभी क्या बोला है उन्होंने? 5 squares. One I am drawing for you, you have to do yourself. यहाँ पर देखो here if I will draw like that, this complete will be 1, and this 1 2 3 4 and this one 5. So this type shape, any shape you can draw according to your imagination. You can draw any shape, but the number of squares should be used in 11th question in B part 5 and A part 6. Understood, children? So you have to complete like this. Just I have to guide you how to do. Okay, the remaining parts you have to do yourself according to, based on your imagination. Any shape you can draw. Now question number 12. Different shapes are shown in the graph paper given below. Answer the following questions based on it. Again they have given the area of each 1 by 1, that means 1 centimeter square. Now shapes are drawn over here, children. A B C D, okay, now E F. How many squares does each shape cover? We will count the number of squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So children, whenever you will find out the shapes drawn over here, in here all the shapes, here also 4 4 8, here also 4 4 8 4, and this one, okay, you will find out each shape, okay, how many squares it is going to cover? 8. So the answer will be 8. As they are going to ask the question, you have to write the answer accordingly. I explained you what is perimeter. अगर उन्होंने perimeter पूछा है तो boundary में squares count करो, कितना boundary है. Area पूछा है तो अंदर के squares count करने. What is the area of each shape? हर अंदर के shape कोई भी, जैसे ये मैंने किया 1 2 3, ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. अभी हमने बोला कि 8 कर रहा है तो सबका एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ही आएगा. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ यू सी थर्ड क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ईच शेप. जब पेरीमीटर बोलना है तो आपको क्या करना है? सबकी बाउंड्री काउंट करनी है, बाउंड्री का एरिया. ओके, सो जैसे यहाँ पर कोई भी शेप काउंट करो, जैसे यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं हम, ठीक है. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, okay, and here 13. Once again I am going to count for you. एक बार दोबारा से कर रही हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so how many? 14. 14 centimeter. The perimeter will be 14 centimeter. Understood? Same way you can find out the perimeter of remaining shapes. Okay, so अब रिमेनिंग शेप का पेरीमीटर निकालोगे और किसका पेरीमीटर ज्यादा और कम है, यू कैन गिव द आंसर. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पेरीमीटर ऑफ शेप बी एंड एफ? जिसका डिफरेंस बोला है उसमें से माइनस करोगे. हाउ मच मोर इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ डी एंड ए? तो उसमें डी और ए का भी पेरीमीटर फाइंड करके आप माइनस कर सकते हैं. 8. हाउ मच लेस इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ शेप सी एंड ई? तो सी और ई का भी पेरीमीटर फाइंड करो और माइनस कर दो. सो दिस वाज about question number 12. So I told you I will discuss, you have to do yourself this one. Now 13 question, complete the pattern by finding two shapes that can fit in each other such that no space should be left between them as per given example. Okay, तो अब यहाँ पर देखो ये शेप है, इसमें ये हम करेंगे तो ये फिट हो जाएगी. तो ये आपने अपने आप यहाँ पर ऐसे शेप जैसे छोटे होते पजल्स बनाते थे, सो यू कैन डू. एक मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पर बता देती हूँ. यहाँ पर देखिए, जैसे एक हम कुछ भी शेप यहाँ से उठाएंगे और उसमें फिट कर देंगे. तो यहाँ से उठाई शेप कोई भी और अपने आप, एक मिनट. नाउ यहाँ हियर दे हैव ड्रॉन द शेप्स. ओके, जैसे ये शेप है तो यहाँ पर ये शेप जैसे उठाई और फिट कर देंगे आप इसमें. कोई भी शेप इसमें लेकर, सपोज आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू वन एग्जाम्पल. जैसे ये शेप ली, ऐसे उठाई और इस तरह से ये शेप कर सकते हैं आप. सो दिस इज योर ओके प्रैक्टिस. हाउ मच यू विल डू द प्रैक्टिस यू कैन डू. अब जैसे यहाँ पर एक और शेप दे रखी है, ये वाली देखो, दिस वन. ये भी, इसमें भी आप फिट कर सकते हो. तो यू कैन डू दिस शेप, ड्रॉ वन शेप एंड फिट. अपने आप ये वाले क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई होप up to 13 question we have discussed. 14 I solved for you, and question number 15 you see children, MCQ. Okay, this one MCQ question. So you have to find out the answers of each, because everything I have explained, so you can do. But such type of question, this one only for activity. This question 31 activity based. Okay, activity based question. No need to do for okay homework, but you can do for activity. Understood children? But 15 is in homework, question number 9, 10, 11, 12 in homework, and 13 question for activity. Even the 15 also homework. Okay, this chapter is over. Now we will meet with new chapter. Okay, so I hope you have completed chapter number 3. Now afterward we will do chapter number 4. We will start. You complete in your books all these up to 3 chapter. Okay, bye.